A peaceful jungle awakens under soft, golden sunlight.
Nature lives in harmony. Unaware, danger is approaching. A giant honey tree stands tall, full of sweet treasure.
Inside the tree, baby monkeys play happily together.
Their mother watches closely, protecting them with care. Laughter echoes through the calm jungle air. Sweet honey attracts more than friendly creatures. Something heavy moves within the forest shadows. The earth trembles with approaching danger.
A massive black bear enters, driven by hunger.
The bear smells honey and growls loudly.
The mother monkey senses danger instantly.
Fear spreads among the innocent babies. To attack. A powerful strike hits the honey tree. Wood splinters under unbearable force. Angry bees swarm through the air. The tree begins collapsing rapidly. The baby monkeys fall, screaming helplessly. Injuries and fear strike instantly.
My mother's cry, Phil!
The bear ignores pain, focused on honey. One baby lies trapped and injured.
Fear spreads through the entire jungle.
A distress call is received. The rescue team moves into action immediately.
Wildlife sensors detect a life-threatening emergency. A trained rescue team mobilizes immediately.
Every second matters for the innocent lives.
Rescuers reach the danger zone. The bear attacks from behind, forcing the team to flee.
The team quickly plans how to save their colleague from the bear's grasp.
Brave hands reach frightened survivors. Each baby is rescued with gentle care. Medical aid stabilizes the injured monkeys. The mother waits anxiously nearby. Family reunites after terrifying moments. In a world filled with uncertainty, a mother's embrace becomes a shield. Her seconds decide everything. But training, trust, and team rise above fear. Through courage, teamwork, and trust, The rescue team succeeds.
The area is no longer safe.
Relocation becomes the only option.
Safety comes first.
The journey to safety begins. A protected forest welcomes new life. The babies climb again, fearless now. Gratitude shines in her eyes. Heroes fade quietly into the jungle. Balance returns to nature.
Life continues. Courage matters. Every rescue saves hope.